Right, we're going on a little houseboat now.
Right, mate.
Morning.
Breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Yes.
It's a little houseboat. Here's the kitchen. That's the veranda. So what have we got around here? Let's have a little looky. Oh, we're going into the bedroom. It's a single bed. Oh, double bed there. I think there might be another bedroom on the other side. Oh, you can go on the roof here. Let's have a little look up the ladder. Oh, you've got a roof area there.
Oh yeah, I would have thought so.
Try not to video you.
Oh no, don't put me on, love.
Find yourself a Mustang Dave on YouTube. There's another double bed, so we've got two double beds in here. Little ensuite bathroom to it. So we've got two double beds. Kitchen lounge, diner.
Oh, it's beautiful.